everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, we're going to see 3 healthy breakfast recipes which you can do under 15 minutes using simple ingredients. So come, let's check out the first recipe. So the first recipe is going to be chia oats pudding. So for this, I'm taking about 1.5 spoons of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of oats, maybe a half more. And then I have a grounded flaxseed powder here. So I'm also adding that about a half a spoon. So give it a nice mix. To this, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of peanut butter for some extra protein. For some additional flavor, I'm also adding some cocoa powder, about a teaspoon. Now give it a good mix. So in this stage, we're going to add some milk. So here I'm using almond milk and I'm using about 1 cup of almond milk. Stir it well. So give it a nice mix, and you also want the peanut butter to be dissolved nicely, blended well along with the other ingredients. So mix it well. So it's mixed well right now. So at this stage, we're going to add some nuts to it. Here I have dates, almonds, black raisins and pumpkin seeds. So I'm going to use all of these. We are not including any sweetener to this, as we'll be adding fruits later on. So let's refrigerate this for about half an hour and then I will show you how it looks. The oats and chia seeds have soaked well in the almond milk. It's now nice and thick. This is how it looks. You could also, keep it in the fridge in the night and then have it in the morning for breakfast. Today I've just refrigerated for about 10 minutes. So to this, we'll add fruits of our choice. So here I have some bananas and blackberries, and we're going to add that to this. You can add any fruit of your choice. You could also add mangoes, since that's also seasonal right now. Today I'm using just blackberries and banana. Healthy and easy oats and chia pudding is ready. It's high in protein and also very nutritious. Please do try and let us know how you liked it. So the second healthy breakfast recipe is going to be oats banana smoothie. So for this, it's again very simple ingredients: oats, banana and some nuts. So let's check out the recipe. First, we're going to add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oats. So here I have some rolled oats. Along with rolled oats, I've also added some bananas, peanut butter, flaxseed powder and very little vanilla essence for some extra taste. So now we will add the nuts. Here I have about 2 dates, some almonds, black raisins and some pumpkin seeds. So I'm going to add all these things to this. Along with that, now I'm going to add almond milk, about 1 cup. And blend all of it together. So the smoothie is ready. Now let's serve it. The next recipe is going to be oat savory pancakes. So for this, we are going to add some shredded carrots, onion, green chili and some ginger. And to this mixture, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then 1.5 cups of oats. And about 1/4 cup of rice flour. Salt for taste. After adding all these items, just give it a nice mix before adding the water. The batter is going to be thick, not too watery. So mix it well before adding any water, so that it doesn't form any lumps. So I'm adding about 1 cup of water first, giving it a nice mix. I would need some more water, so I'm adding another half cup of water and mixing it well. This is an instant batter, so you don't have to really soak it for some time. So this is how thick it should look. The batter is now ready. Now let's make the pancakes. The pan is now nice and hot. So now let's add the batter to the pan. You don't want to spread it too much. Just tap it like this. To this, I'm also adding some ghee. The bottom side is kind of brown, so now let's flip it. Cook both sides for around 3 to 4 minutes and until you see this brown color in both sides. So we'll cook this a little more on the other side.